Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change VPN location on your iPhone. Let's get started. So, there are two main ways to do depending on how your VPN is set up. So, method number one is to open up settings. Then you need to go ahead and simply tap on General. Inside General, scroll below, tap on Language and Region. And here you can change your iPhone region. This affects some apps and services, but it actually does not reroute your network traffic. It just changes your phone's regional settings. So go ahead and simply change to another region. Method number two is to change your VPN server's location. Inside settings, you need to go ahead and simply tap on General, scroll below, tap on VPN and Device Management, and here you want to go ahead and simply select your VPN configuration. If you have set up your VPN server, you will need to change the server location in the settings. But if you're using a VPN app from the App Store like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or Proton VPN, just open the app, look for the server list, and then select the country and city you want. For example, if I pick Canada, it will disconnect and reconnect me to a Canadian server. That's it. That is how you can change your VPN location on your iPhone, either through your system settings or directly inside your VPN app. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.